Welcome to a training on the life cycle of an order at ABC Legal. We're excited to have you on board. In this short training, you'll get a clear overview of the life cycle of an order, how an order moves from placement to fulfillment, and the key roles involved along the way. Understanding this process is essential to how we work together to deliver great service. Let's get started. The life cycle of an order refers to the series of steps involved in fulfilling a service of process order for a customer. This process begins when the order is initiated and continues through various stages, including document preparation, service execution, and confirmation of completion, among others. Each phase ensures that legal documents are properly delivered to the intended party in accordance with legal requirements, ultimately culminating in the successful completion of the order. This training gives an overview. Additional training on processes, procedures, and service rules will be provided by departments. The life cycle is long, so we've divided it into two parts. Let's get started on part 1. Step 1, ABC Legal receives the job order from a customer, court, or other external party. Documents are entered by the order entry team. The order received may be 1. Digital documents. 2. Physical documents without additional data, or 3. Physical documents with additional data. Step 2. Once received and entered, the new job is prepped and processed for out-to-court filing and then sent to the court. ABC Legal prepares the job to meet court requirements, and the customer is invoiced if there is a fee advance. A fee advance refers to the filing fee added to jobs going to court. This fee is added by requesting either an ABC check or a money order. Court requirements may vary based on jurisdiction. Note, additional training on specific filing rules will be provided by departments. In Step 3, the court either files or rejects the documents. After the court receives the order, the court will file the documents or reject the documents if something is incorrect with them. Step 4A. The court returns rejected filings to ABC Legal. Rejected jobs are processed further by ABC Legal. Jobs are returned by courts for various reasons. These rejections might be due to incorrect preparation, missing filing fees, or other processing errors, and can usually be corrected in an ABC office. Some rejections result from customer errors in the submitted documents, which cannot be filed as is. Once corrected, jobs are again submitted to the court. Detailed training on the process for working rejects will be provided in departments. Step 4B is when the court files the job and filed documents are received, scanned, and confirmed by ABC Legal, who ensures they are ready for service. Once all confirmations of data, filing, job identification are completed, the service documents are dispatched either physically or digitally for service. Nicely done. You've completed part 1. Now let's get started on part 2. In part 1, we left off with the job having been dispatched for service, which means the job was sent to a process server working with ABC Legal. In Step 5, the process server claims the job and attempts to deliver the documents with the provided information. This means the documents are going to be served to the defendant by a process server or offline partner, such as a sheriff, marshal, constable. The outcome of this attempt is either the process server served or non-served the documents and will return a proof of service or non-service to the ABC office. Served means the documents were successfully served to the defendant. Non-served means the documents are not able to be served to the defendant for some reason. Step 6, successful service, occurs when the process server is able to serve the documents to the defendant. Proof of service is returned to ABC Legal to prep, process, send to court for filing. Step 7, unsuccessful service, occurs when the process server is unable to deliver documents to the defendant. Proof of non-service is received and processed by ABC Legal. A proof of service or proof is a legal document that confirms a party has officially delivered court documents to another party. A proof typically includes details of how, when, and to whom the documents were delivered. In Step 8, ABC Legal sends a proof of service document to the court. The court will receive the proof and will file or reject it. Rejected proofs are returned to ABC Legal office for further processing. Step 9. When the court returns a rejected proof, ABC Legal makes corrections to the rejected proof and refiles with the court. The court will file or reject the resubmitted proof. That's it. We've completed an entire life cycle of an order at ABC Legal. Let's take some time to recap parts 1 and 2 of the Lifecycle's workflow. Remember, each green diamond represents a point in the process when a decision or condition will influence which step follows next. Part 1 goes from receiving the job to confirming and dispatching service documents physically or digitally. Part 2 goes from the job being served by the process server or the job being not served to the step where the court files the proof of service or returns the proof of service to ABC Legal. This concludes the life cycle of an order training.